Welcome back to Los Angeles, and welcome back to, honestly, what is bound to be a very, very exciting and fun video. I'm so pumped. I got back to LA yesterday when I picked up Molly and just like started to get settled in and just like relaxed a little too, you know? Just enjoyed a night chilling here all by myself. It was my first night that I ever spent alone in mine and Connor's apartment, and it was weird, you guys. I was not really a fan. I did not love it. But I'm sure it will get easier and easier to fall asleep here and all of that. I did not sleep very well. Once I fell asleep, I was fine, but it took me a little bit to actually fall asleep. But enough about that. Today is an iconic day, all right? Like, today is going to be the day of days, and that is because today I am reuniting with Tara. I could seriously cry just thinking about it. I am so excited to see her. I genuinely cannot believe that we just spent 10 months apart. The longest before that we had ever gone without seeing each other was 3 weeks, you guys. But it is 9:21 a.m. and I have a little bit of work that I have to get done before I can see Tara, and obviously that's #1 priority. So I want to power through just a couple things. Let me write them down actually. Thank you. Also, don't mind my hair, and obviously this is bedhead here for you. Let's start on some work. Look at this little cat here, curled right in. Hi, best friend. I'm happy to be back with you too. Back to our old shenanigans. It is 10:30 now, and I sent out a bunch of the emails that I needed to and stuff like that. I still am just like sort of on call here in case anything pops up, but for the most part, I think that's pretty much everything that I had to get done today. So cheers to that. I can't wait for the fun to begin today. Well, the time has come, and I'm going to start getting ready to meet up with Tara. I'm dying. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so fun. So here is the current plan. Tara and I are going to meet up for lunch because neither of us have like any food in our home. And you know, might as well. Why not? It's a perfect way to start our little catch up. And I think we're gonna go to Rose Cafe. They have like an amazing chicken sandwich there that I've been dreaming of, so that sounds so good. And then from there, we're literally just going to hop around Venice and Santa Monica, hit up a bunch of different little places. I'm so pumped. And we've just fully planned this to be a big girls' day out, I guess, because we're gonna day drink and just bar hop, get drinks, get food, catch up. I can't believe that we're doing this. I truly I have no words. I have no words to describe how excited I am to see her, how excited I am to catch up in person for the first time in 10 months. I literally, it felt like this day might just never come. Like, obviously rationally I knew that we would see each other again, but it had just been so long that I just can't believe that we're doing this right now. It's very, very, very exciting. I'm just so excited to be able to just fall back into our old routines, to do so many of the things that we love. We have like a jam-packed schedule already, of course. We're gonna be seeing each other basically every day. It's just gonna be a dream come true. So excited. Finished getting ready. Here's the little outfit today, which is so cute. I just love this little dress from Zara. And then I actually think this is from Zara too, but pretty old. Sorry if it's a little dark. Don't know why, but whatever. And Tara is on her way right now to the restaurant. A little concerned about seeing each other for the first time in public because I think we might embarrass ourselves, but what else is new? We're always embarrassing ourselves. So I'm about to head out now, and the next time that you see me, I will be with Tara. Oh my god, it's so Thank you so much.
It's a 90-minute limit at the table.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
See us getting nice and drunk today.
Thank you.
It's a special occasion.
It really is.
Oh, really?
Yes.
No worries.
Thank you so much.
Wow. Leave it to us.
What time is
It's
it?
12:48.
I support it fully.
Oh yeah, absolutely. It's past noon.
You know what? Yeah, it's past noon. It's a
5 o'clock
Friday.
somewhere. The biggest day.
It's the biggest day of the year.
I totally agree. Biggest day of the year so far.
Okay, do we try?
Yeah, let's try a sip of our drink, then we'll take our shot.
Wait, should we take a picture of them first?
Yes.
I don't know what to do.
No, we definitely should.
So I don't. This is not the norm.
We need to tell the people we're together. Back fucking together.
Back
in person.
fucking together, and it feels so good.
It feels so good.
It's fucking right.
Fucking God.
Fucking right.
Okay, let's take a sip of this first. Cheers.
Onto the cameras.
Yes.
Back.
Back again. Oh,
Yes.
beyond.
Oh, I'm very excited. I'm very excited.
That is everything.
We're getting fucked
And
up.
it's going to make a very good chase.
Is it shot time?
It's shot time. Shot o'clock.
Shot o'clock, baby.
To be reunited.
I love you.
I love you. Well, down the hatch.
My hairs are sticking out. Can you see it?
The food has arrived and the matching meals are back.
Matching meals, matching drinks. We have it all.
That's right, the whole thing.
I'm dying.
We got the Korean fried chicken sandwich, which is the best thing on the menu here. It's so good. French fries. Our drinks are 10 out of 10.
10.
So good.
11, 10.
Right? I mean, they should be for the $16 price tag, but what are you gonna do? Location number 2. We got all the drinks.
Pickleback.
Picklebacks are
And a
happening.
peach thingy. A peach.
Yes, peach. Cheeky peach.
Cheeky peach.
Again, the matching orders.
Yeah.
Spot on.
Trend.
Get the whole thing.
Yeah.
It's only right.
Nervous.
No, it's
We
gonna be
haven't done
great.
whiskey in a very long time.
Just throw it back and get the pickle juicy around ASAP.
Okay.
I'm nervous.
Me too. I'm more nervous. I haven't done this ever.
You're gonna be okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.
Pretty amazing, right?
I want more pickle juice. Right, ready?
Yep. It's not that far. Thank you. Cheers.
Yeah. I don't know what this is. Shot o'clock. Wow. About the hat. Shell the hat. Wow. Oh my God.
Tara just left. I'm just finishing up my ramen for dinner, which is so good. And watching some Love Island. Perfect way to end the evening. Hello, it is 2 days later now. And man, you guys, did I have a day yesterday. First of all, amazing, amazing day that you just got to watch with Tara. I have not even looked at clips, so I have no idea what that is. But it was a time, but an amazing time. I cannot believe that we are back together. We are back together. It is everything, everything. And then yesterday we went out with a larger group, a ton of people, did brunch, and that was like a whole situation as well. So we're having a bit of a recovery day today. Tara and I were talking about going to the beach today and just like recovering there, but we'll see if that actually happens, TBD. So just got some groceries delivered, you know, like had to start getting my life back in order here. That's gonna be part of the goal for today. I need to recover a bit, but I need to like do my dishes, finish unpacking my suitcase, get cleaned up a little bit, like get my life situated before the week starts tomorrow. I thought I would do a quick little grocery haul for you guys. We got a nice haul here. So I don't even want to look at this right now, but I got some vodka just to have on hand. Ugh. As well as some Clamato juice for some Bloody Marys. Honestly, that would probably cure my hangover right now. And then I also just got a bottle of wine to have on hand. This is 19 Crimes Cab Sav. We have some produce. This is a big old onion. It's huge. Wow. As well as an English cucumber here. I have 2 avocados, cherry tomatoes. You guys know I love the medley. Look at this guy, he's like popping. There we go. Delish, as well as some Campari tomatoes. My parents had these and they were so good, so I wanted to get some. Also got a little throwback. I was sort of craving salad wraps, which I used to make all the time a couple years ago. And I don't know, I was craving them again. So I got the Olive Garden Italian dressing, which 10 out of 10, this dressing. I also just got some lettuce that I could throw in there. Figured I could use the avocado, the tomatoes, whatever, you know, throw together a little lettuce wrap situation. I also got a ton of stuff that I was eating at home because I was eating so good when I was in New Jersey. So I got some mozzarella to do some caprese sandwiches. So I got some baguettes here. Figured I could use the tomato for that as well. Got some ibuprofen because I couldn't find ours anywhere, and man, do I need it today. I'm hurting. And then some basil also for the caprese sandwiches. Next up, we have green bell peppers, peaches. I got 2 peaches. I want to make panzanella salad, which my dad always makes, and so good. So I also got some croutons for that. Again, the Olive Garden brand. So good. Got myself a zucchini here. Looking good. They did a good job picking produce. I had a good shopper this time. As well as salami, again, for the caprese sandwich. Some wraps, and then tampons. It's not that time of the month, but I figured I might as well get them while I'm thinking about it. And there you go. That's my little grocery haul. I'm gonna just make something quick here. I mean, I have all these groceries now, but I sort of just want to make like a big pot of mac and cheese or something. Just something that will make me feel real good. So here are 3 mac and cheese options, by the way. Did a little clean in the kitchen. I'm still working on it. But I've never tried any of these before, and I'm very conflicted about what I should try. This one is white cheddar style. It's all vegan. So maybe we should try this. I think maybe we'll go with this. Okay, let's see what this vegan mac is going to bring us. It's lentil pasta, so that will be interesting. And I also got distracted and forgot that I was making it, so I think it's a little overcooked, which is gonna suck, but whatever. Oh yeah, that's overcooked. Oh well. Cheese looks weird. Oh man, I didn't know that I only had the vegan mac and cheese. Shall we try it? It looks good, actually. It's pretty good. Like, you can tell it's vegan. Vegan cheese, you can just, I feel like, always tell. I think I'm gonna try this new HBO show, White Lotus. It looks pretty good, great cast. I think I'm gonna like it. I'll let you know though. Well, here we are, 6 hours later. Not quite, that's dramatic, but wow. I just had such a relaxing afternoon sitting on the couch doing absolutely nothing. I'm obsessed, it was great. I actually binged all of the episodes of White Lotus that were out because I was loving it. It's such a weird sense of humor, but it's really funny, really just like what the fuck humor. And I'm a big fan. The cast is out of this world incredible. Like, seriously, another freaking level. Jennifer Coolidge is in it, and she is so weird and so funny. I've just absolutely loved it. There's actually a new episode coming out tonight, so maybe I'll watch that later again. Anyway, I'm just gonna throw like just a little bit of makeup on. I don't know, maybe Tara and I will like take some cute pics on the beach because we're gonna go to the beach now. Since I wasn't feeling well, I told her like let's do more of like an evening beach situation. So I got us a cheese board. I'll show you. Just wanna like cover up some of this stuff because I'm still breaking out. Yeah, so we're going to go to the beach, eat some cheese, and make new friendship bracelets because we did that last year and they ended up like breaking and coming off. Mine one day literally just like broke apart. So crazy. I still have like the pieces of it somewhere, but anyway, we need new ones because it's obviously unacceptable to not have them. It's gonna be a cute little time. I'm very excited. Okay, just working on packing up this bag here. Tara. Hello, bestie! Long time no see. Long time no see. Got our whole little cheese board out here. We have this, I forget what it is, but it's sort of like brie-ish vibe. We have a cacio cheese and then a manchego.
I've never tried a cacio cheese.
It's gonna be so good.
Yeah.
Yay!
We have cheese.
I'm so excited.
Cheers! Oh yeah.
That is so good. It's everything I want.
It's a dream. A dream plus more.
Wow.
I'm putting the honey on the other side.
Yeah.
This is so romantic.
I know.
Feel like lovers. Oh my god, I can't believe I have it back. Oh, I love it so much.
Perfect. Yay.
Oh my god, finally. Wait, we have to take a
We
picture.
are back. Oh my god, it's everything.
I am obsessed.
Such a perfect time here today. Oh my gosh.
So good.
A beautiful sunset happening in like every direction over here is
so good.
so good.
I can't believe it. And like
I
you
love
can
it.
see the pier too.
I know, you can see the Ferris wheel going.
Yeah.
It's so good. And we have our new bracelets, which is so fun.
so
The Jera
happy.
bracelets, they are back.
It had to be done.
It had to be done. I love it. Thank God.
Yay.
9 p.m. Tara just left. Oh, that was such a fun and wholesome day. I loved it. I'm having a wonderful day actually. So I'm going to make dinner now, and I think I'm gonna make my little dumpling thing that I usually make for lunch, but I bought so many other things for lunch for this week that I sort of just want to have it now, and it just sounds yummy, so we're gonna go for it. I sort of forgot that I was running low on my dumplings. I only have 4 veggie ones, and for dinner I want like 6 dumplings. So I'm actually gonna try these, which I haven't tried before. It's the Thai shrimp gyoza. I usually use the veggie, but I got a bag of the shrimp and I haven't tried it yet, so I'm gonna get some kimchi. How are dumplings doing? Oh, they're looking good. Some kimchi on the side to like pop into some bites. Very intrigued to try these shrimp ones, but they're gonna be delish. I have no doubt. How good does this look right now, you guys? I'm so excited to dive in. And I think I'm gonna watch some more of the new Gossip Girl. That's the current plan, but I'm also gonna feel it out once I get in there.